Hey guys, my name is Sasha and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, from today I thought to start the episode of teaching Japanese. Like I have planned to teach about 25 lessons about Japanese language that we can use in daily life or in daily conversation with Japanese people. So if you want to learn Japanese more, please subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. Then your friends also can learn Japanese. So the first lesson is first meet greetings. That means how to greet when you meet someone firstly. This will be our first lesson. And let's go to the lesson. Hajimemashite, Sasha です。20歳です。スリランカから来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。OK。はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして means How do you do? How do you do? サーシャです。サーシャです。Sasha is my name and the meaning is I am Sasha. I am Sasha. 20歳です。20歳です。So, 20歳 is 20 years old. So, 20歳です。I am 20 years old. スリランカから来ました。スリランカから来ました。Sri Lanka is Sri Lanka. So, から来ました。から来ました is came from or I am from. I am from Sri Lanka. で、どうぞよろしくお願いします。どうぞよろしくお願いします。The meaning is pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you. はじめまして、サーシャです。20歳です。スリランカから来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。How do you do? I am Sasha, 20 years old. I'm from Sri Lanka. Pleased to meet you. Someone in the morning, you can say, おはようございます。おはようございます。Or if you meet someone in the evening, こんにちは。こんにちは。If you meet someone in afternoon, こんばんは。こんばんは。It means good afternoon. And then if you say bye bye to the person, さようなら。さようなら. Or you can just say bye bye. But don't say bye bye to your teacher or teacher. Sensei, sensei. Sensei means teacher. When you go into the school, school. 学校, 学校. Don't say bye bye sensei. Say さよなら先生 or 先生さよなら。また明日ね。また明日 is see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. また明日 see you tomorrow. Okay.
How to greet when you meet someone first. はじめまして、サーシャです。スリランカから来ました。どうぞよろしくお願いします。Also, you have learned some words. こんにちは。おはようございます。こんばんは。さようなら。また明日。And also, 先生が。
Okay, guys, so that is for today, and I will meet you guys soon with the next Japanese lesson with some new Japanese words and new Japanese sentences. So please be with me, be with my channel, and be with my videos. Okay, sayonara.